Hi lovers, it's Foodie Spot here again. Today I make the most amazing pancake you can think of. Guys, this pancake, this one go Harvard. It's so sweet, so yummy, so soft. So please lovers, watch to the end of this video to know how I made this. Please, you will not regret it, and don't forget to like, share, engage so that the algorithm can push it for us to see. Thank you. This is me mixing my egg after assembling my ingredients. So in this bowl, you go in with your milk. This my milk is powdered milk. I just added water just to loosen it up. Okay, this is my butter. The butter I showed you guys earlier. I just melted it, and then this is my vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lime. They do the same thing. And this is my vanilla flavor. Yes guys, you can go with any flavor of your choice. So after doing it, this is what I used to whisk it. I'm now going with my tin milk. Yes, you need powdered milk and tin milk, but if you want, if you have enough tin milk, you can use only tin milk. So I'm just trying to put enough. After putting it, you whisk it, turn it very well. You need to stir this in very well so that you will not have any lumps. After it, you're now going with your, this is my baking soda and my sugar. I just added it, then you turn anything you add, you turn, you stir it so that you will not have any lump. Turn it very well. Then this is me now. I'll go in with my flour. This is my flour. I use total of 2.5 flour, 2.5. So I've added the first 1 cup. I'll be adding the rest later. See the rest, I've just added it. So I just added it bit by bit. Just if I add, I will turn, because I don't want any lump in this before I added everything. Please don't forget to sieve your flour. I always sieve my flour before anything. So after stirring it for a while, I realized that it's too thick. I don't want that consistency, so that's why I added water and I continue to stir. You'll see the consistency that will get, because I don't want a very thick pancake. I just want it to be in between, not too thick, not too light, just in between. You keep stirring. Yeah, that is the consistency I want. You see how it is. This is exactly what I want. In your non-stick pan, you go with your pancake. Please, if you don't have non-stick pan, please don't make this, because it will not go well, please. So in your non-stick pan, you just add a little bit of oil, you just spread it, then you're now going with your pancake. Me, I don't have to be doing it one, so that was why I was just doing it two, because I'm already salivating to eat it. So when it start bringing that bubble, you flip it to the other side, then you do the same thing, then you remove it and go in with your pancake again. You can see, because you don't need to be rubbing oil all the time. The first oil you rub is okay. I think you can go through. You see that bubble. Once you see that bubble, just know that your pancake is ready. Then you can flip it to the other side, for the other side to do the same. Then you now turn it again. I melted another butter, so I just added a little bit. I go in with my pancake again. We just basically be repeating this process, repeating it. But if you have patience, I would advise you do it 1-1. If your frying pan is not wide, if your non-stick frying pan is not wide, do it 1-1. So I continue with the process. When I'm done, now look at our pancake. It's already give. That's not how you're eating only pancake. You need something to pair with it. So this is our veggies I'll be using, and 3 eggs. Okay, my carrots, green pepper, all the veggies, cabbage, tomato, fresh tomato, pepper, and spring onion. So first of all, you add your oil, then just to fry your tomato base. Then you go with your onion. After frying it, then your tomato, you allow it to fry small. Please lower your gas when doing this. So this is my 3 egg. Yeah, I added water. I remember when I was growing up, my stepmom used to add water in her egg to increase the volume of the egg. So I just added water. Then I added curry. Please try out curry in your egg. You come back and thank me. So I added my 1 cube of Maggi. I just whisk it together. So I now came back to my tomato and I added the remaining veggies. Then I went I've added 1 cube of Maggi in my egg. I just added half just to spice up the veggies. Then after it, I'm now going with my egg. You know, we are trying to do scrambled egg, so you just be, you know, turning it a bit until the thing forms, until the thing comes together. See the way it's looking already. Please lower your heat when you're doing this so that your egg will not get burnt. We just fry. See the way my egg is looking already. You can imagine how 3 eggs is looking because of what I added. The volume is plenty. So after this, I forgot to add my tin milk when whisking my egg. So I said, okay, it's not going to waste. So I have to add the remaining tin milk in my egg like this. And guys, it came out amazing. It was so sweet. Okay, after turning it, our egg is ready. Now let's serve our food. Yeah, that's me testing it. It tastes so good. So I just plated my food. See my pancake, see my egg. So I just went in with my butter and added honey on top, you know, just to make it look appetizing and also increase the taste. Yeah, see my egg. Now see the way my egg is looking. It's looking so nice. So that's not how you eat this two alone. You have to go in with your tea. So guys, tell me if you be trying this out, and don't forget to check out our other videos for another amazing recipes. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye. See you in my next video.